Hey guys, what's going on? Shaunus here. So I just finished recording a video where I explained how experts, people like me are making money online. So if, making $1,000 a day is interesting to you, this is a video that you want to check out. And by the way, this is something you don't have to sign up for. It's completely free and you don't have to even put your name and email. Just click the link. It's going to take you to the page where you watch this video where I explain exactly how this system is making money and how you can do the same thing. Now let me explain something. This is not your average training, average stuff that you learn online. This is how people like me are making money. So I'm just sharing how I'm making money and how all these experts, exactly how they're making money. So you can do the same thing. Now I'm not saying that you're gonna be like me and start a company that's gonna make $500,000 a month. I know a lot of people, a lot of you know me. My name is Sean Bagheri, CEO and the founder of Reversity. But what I'm saying is that this system that I'm using in my own company can actually help you to make you money. Again, if making $1,000 a day is interesting to you, you should definitely check out this video. Just click the link. It's going to take you to the page. You don't even have to put your name and email, or there's no opt-in page or anything like that. Just click it. It's going to take you to the page. You can just start watching the video. And again, this video is going to go out soon, so I'm not going to have this video up for a while, for more than a couple of days. So make sure you click the link. Don't miss it, because by the time you click this link might be gone. So again, click the link. I'll see you there. You don't want to miss this video. This is really special video. As you were talking about big money, big commissions. All right, so I'll see you there.